Let's continue with question number 7, English Medium Mathematics 10th class PSEB 2025 board exam paper. Question number 7th, 1 mark questions. The length of a tangent from a point at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. ਤੁਸੀਂ the diagram ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ on the right side of this. You can see here this is a circle. O is the center of the circle. A is any external point, and the distance A from the point on the circle, that is a tangent to the circle, is 4 cm. That is the length of the tangent to the circle is 4 cm, and the distance of A from the center of the circle is 5 cm. And we are to find the radius of the circle, that is we are to find the length, this OP length we are to find in this. अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ radius find करना है, for that we know we'll be applying the Pythagoras theorem, because here in this is 90 degree. We know the radius to the tangent always forms an angle of 90 degree between them. So in triangle APO, OA is the hypotenuse because it is the angle, it is a side opposite to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. And hypotenuse is 5 square is equal to perpendicular कितना है, which 4 square plus base square is b square. 5 square is 25 and 25 minus 4 square 16, which I have 9. And b square दूसरी साइड पे जाके square root हो जाएगा, 9 आ जाएगा, and b की वैल्यू साढ़े को 3 cm आ जाएगी, which is option number C. Next, question number 8. In the figure, ODC is similar to triangle OBA, and angle BOC is equal to 125 degree, and angle CDO is equal to 70 degree. Then we have to find angle OAB. This is a diagram, and similarly we have let these two parallel lines as L and M, and if these two are parallel, therefore this angle 70 will be equal to this angle, because these are the corresponding angles. That is angle B is equal to 70 degree corresponding angle, and also angle AOB, that is this angle. By the linear pair, it will be 55 degree, that is 180 minus 125 degree will be equal to 55 degree, since these form a linear pair. And also angle OBA, that is this is also 70 degree. If this is 70, then the angle opposite to this is also 70 degree by vertically opposite angles. Now in triangle OAB, will have 55 plus 70 plus angle OAB, which is equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. And therefore angle OAB is equal to 55 plus 70, that is 125, and 180 minus 125 is 55 degree. So 55 is the correct answer, is the required answer, which is option A. Question number 9. If sine of A plus B is equal to square root 3 over 2 and B is equal to 30 degree, then we have to find the value of A. Let's see its calculation. Here sine of A plus B is equal to 3 over 2, which is equal to, that is sine 60.